Check it out. Take a good look at that. Public records. Public records. Okay? Federal public records removed. Alright? Look at the date. March 27th. April 2nd. It is April 4th. We've been working with this guy for like 2.5 weeks. His score is already close to 800. That's what we do, ladies and gentlemen. Take a good look at this. These are public records. These are judgments, okay, that we got removed. We changed this guy's life. Look at all these collections. Look at the dates. Okay, look at the freaking dates. All right. March 27th, these were removed just a week or two ago. Okay. Look at this. City cards. Look at all of these accounts that were removed. You see that? That's a lot. That is a lot. Let's go back. Okay, now let's look at the Equifax. 746. See consistency. April 2nd. Sears, Best Buy. Look at these removals. Okay? It's insane. Nobody gets results like that. 0 derogatory remarks. 100% payment history. Okay? Oh, okay. He's got to stop inquiring. All right. So, this is Patrick. He hired 3 other companies before us. And this is what we were able to do. 0. He's all clean. 100% clean. Took him 3 weeks and he's 100% clean. He's almost at 800 score.